Go ahead, start it. Leave it alone.
Okay.
Oh man, I don't necessarily know what's going on. I don't know, just gotta troubleshoot my way through, I guess. So the first thing we did is we disconnected the battery while it was running. That way the alternator would kick over, and if it stays on, obviously the alternator's fine. Just trying to cancel out the electrical in order, I guess. Next we're gonna take apart the fuel, the throttle body. It's got little valves that open. Maybe it's clogged up. Hopefully it's something easy. So this is the throttle body. It's pretty dirty in there. It's kind of hard to see and hold the flashlight, but hoping I can clean this out and that'll solve the problem.
Sí.
Aquí nomás había bastante aire.
No, ya nevó.
I don't know, future will tell. But it's running, it's idling, so that's good. It's progress.
Is this my good angle?
That's your good angle, baby.
Wrong. All angles are my good angles.
All angles are your good angles.
So our friend Yaya from across the street, she was very lovely and made us some curry. So excited. It's too good.
So earlier today, I got the truck started. The point of the game now is to run the truck like I normally would. I have the throttle body on order, so I'm gonna run the truck for a week or two. If I don't need to replace the throttle body, if it just needed to be cleaned and repositioned or whatever, then cool, I can return it, save the money. If not, I'll have one on order and I'll swap it out as soon as it starts messing up, in theory, I guess. But it's gotten cold, so hopefully it starts up. All right. Look at that, it's holding idle. It kicks over a little weird. I'm hoping that with time, the kick over, the initial start will get smoother. I'm not sure if it's because everything's cleaner. I sprayed a lot of chemical to like clean that throttle body. I heard that it'll like run a little bit weird or might smell a little weird. Hopefully it gets better.
Smooth operator.
This is different. It snowed over here. Oh look, my parents have donkeys in the front yard. So here we are the next morning. Hopefully it turns on. replaced more sensors, played with the manifold some more. It turns out the throttle body comes programmed, or it doesn't come programmed, you need to program it, and it's cheaper to do it at the dealerships. You end up paying them anyways. So hopefully it starts right now. But I'm losing hope. I'm lose.
Bye, Felipe.
At this point, she has more dependable wheels than I do.
Dun, dun, dun.
Dials.
It goes.
It idles.
It idles.
It idles.
It idles.
If there are any Ram mechanics, Dodge Ram mechanics watching this, holler at your boy. He's having problems. Anybody, please.